Hey everyone, Wicked Journals here. I want to do a flip through on this book that is available in my shop. It's about 6 inches by 6 inches, and the spine is 2 3/4. We have a decorative cover here. This is gold painted. Just got a little collage going on here with the book plate. The closure is ribbon with these decorative beads there. And I do have eyelets for the ribbon closure, so that should help it last longer and not tear or damage anything, the cover. Inside pocket, we have this large tag for you to journal or attach things to, whatever you want to do. And here we have this decorative paper clip. You can place it wherever you would like. We have this pocket with an envelope in here, and the envelope is empty. It just lives in that little pocket right there. We have this little half page. It's got a little butterfly guy on there. Decorative pages for journaling or putting pictures, whatever you want to do in here. As usual, got some lace on some of the pages. All the pages are inked and distressed. This is a little journaling spot with a tag in this pocket. There is also gold stamping throughout, so you can, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little 10-penny bicycle right here. Over here on this pocket, there's a gold flower. So throughout, there's little gold stamping accents. A little tiny pocket, a little cute little tag guy that lives in there. This is the bookmark. It is secured in the spine. It is double strand lace and has a beautiful lampwork bead on the end of it there. And we have another pocket with another envelope sitting there. This is just got a little tuck closure with a little gem on it. Ledger paper. I love putting ledger paper in stuff. It's just fun, and I'm also been an accountant forever, so lace here. Here's a pocket. It has this cute little butterfly on it. This is permanently attached in here, and I put some stickers, just some fun little stickers that you can use in your journal in there. Those do come with the book when you purchase it. And got a little gold feather here. This is a double tuck spot, so it has this little tiny envelope at the top, and then this bottom pocket has a little flower with just a journaling card there. Okay. This pocket has a washi tape card in there, so you can, attach a picture, attach a journaling spot, whatever you want to do there, obviously. And this pocket has this little book. It has a gold flower on it, and it says Cherish. The edges are inked with that gold ink, and it's just a little booklet tucked into this pocket here. Here's a pocket with a library card, checkout card. These are downloads also in my Etsy shop, so I'll put the link to those below. Another pocket with a little envelope. This one has a little paper in there for a secret note or whatever. That guy lives in there. And this envelope is in a belly band here on this page. The butterfly has some gold ink on it. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's a little envelope. That guy lives in there. This has double tags, so it's got one that comes out the side and one that comes out this front pocket. These are, you know, fairly large size tags in there. And we have a decorative paper clip here. We have a belly band with journaling card. This envelope is attached in the journal, so it's not removable, and it's just an empty envelope for you to put stuff in there. More lace. Here's the other side of that double pocket that we saw just a minute ago. So it's got this guy on the side that pulls out the side pocket, and then it has a tag that pulls out this front pocket, and then I also just put another one of those library checkout cards here for journaling or whatever. And moving into the last signature, we have a little butterfly. I don't know why, but every time I see this, I always want to turn it around like that. I don't know why. More tags. Just regular pages back here. We have this pocket that has this little library card guy, and it's got some lace on the top. And another tag pocket back here. Lace, and then this is the inside back cover, and that's the back cover. The hinges on the back and front are reinforced with just some more of the matching decorative excuse me, paper that I've used inside the book as well. Now this journal is all ready for you to just put tons of stuff in there, whatever you want, but I'm also including this little bag of matching goodies with the purchase of this journal. So it has decorative paper clip, it has some brads, matching ribbons and papers that I've used in the journal. It has some matching washi tapes, cardstock, papers, just little things to help you additionally decorate your journal. So all of this good stuff listed in my shop. I'll put the link below. And if you have any questions or would like to see a tutorial on anything that I've done in this journal, let me know in the comments below. Bye.